sweet vermicelli pasta blackberry milk soup, or sweet blackberry vermicelli pasta desert milk soup, or Blackberry Semiya, one of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the milk recipes and one of the most unique of the vermicelli recipes and one of the most delicious of the soup recipes and one of the most unique of the sweet recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the desert recipes and one of the most different of the blackberry recipes. We're going to make sweet blackberry vermicelli pasta soup. We've taken around 100 grams of vermicelli pasta. We've taken around 20 to 25 grams of blackcurrant, blackberry, around 15 grams of raisins, yellow raisins, 15 grams of black raisins, 2 to 3 cardamom pods, and 15 grams of cashew nuts. Heat the pan and put in 15 grams of ghee or clarified butter. Let it melt. Put in the cashew. Until the cashews are brown. Take off the pan. Put in the black raisins. And salt. Till the raisins puff up. Once they puff up, they can be taken off the pan. Put in the yellow raisins. And soft curry. Till the raisins puff up. pods which we have crushed. Now put in the vermicelli pasta. Put in the vermicelli pasta. And salt. Put in the blackberry pieces. You've taken off the seed from the blackberry. Mix. Thoroughly sort and mix. Now pour in 300 ml of water. Mix thoroughly. And let the water boil. Put in around 60 grams of sugar. Mix. And let the mixture cook for 6 to 8 minutes. Now pour in around 200 to 300 ml of milk. Mix and let this mixture cook for 1 minute to 2 minutes. After 2 to 3 minutes of cooking, now the blackberry milk vermicelli pasta soup is ready. It can be taken off the flame and served. In the black currant and the black raisins and the cashew and the yellow raisins and mix as garnish and mix thoroughly. This is the final sweet blackberry vermicelli pasta milk soup, or sweet blackberry vermicelli pasta desert milk soup, or sweet Blackberry Semiya, one of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the pasta recipes and one of the most unique of the soup recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the dessert recipes and one of the most delicious of the Blackberry recipes and one of the most delicious of the vermicelli recipes. Like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.